Hey everybody, back again, another landscape tutorial. It's just poster board, shiny side up. Gonna spray paint on that. I drew and cut out the stencil, so after we do the background, we'll lay that all out. I'm just gonna set this down for a second, kind of get a misting on there where the water line is supposed to be, so I know where the sky meets the water, right off here. So let's see, we'll do, I don't know what kind of, trying to think of what colors we should do the background sky. Maybe we'll pull out some pinks and purples, see how that turns out. Let's see, a couple purples. Alright. Start with this darker pink. Into the lighter pink. Light purple in there, dark purple, go back with this darker pink. I'm going to grab another piece of poster board. I'm going to use this, but I'm going to make a few more tears in it, kind of try to make it look more like clouds, I guess. Tore that all up. Now I'm going to pull out some white. Make some clouds. All I'm doing is just setting that down and misting on some white here and there. White across there. Now I'll take this paint edger bob thingy. That's what we're gonna call it. Grab some blues. in that general vicinity. I'll put this guy down. What I'm going to do is take this. I'm going to do white right here, probably right where the lighthouse is going to be. Light blue next to that. A little darker blue. Just keep getting a little darker each time we go out. Hopefully it's still wet enough to do this. If not, we can put clear coat down. Alright. Oh, shoot. Of course. Why not? Alright, we'll fix that little spot with a little darker cloud, I guess. Well, darker, but heavier on the white. Whatever. We'll go with that. Gotta let this completely dry now. Then I'll throw down the stencil and maybe we can brighten that up with a little pink mist. Yeah, it's looking a little better. Matches the rest now. Alright, now we'll let that dry. Throw down the stencil. We're just going to go with black on top. A couple black lines to connect the lighthouse, and we will be done. Alright, it is all dry. I can place my stencil down without it gluing itself together. So we're just going to take a couple of these nuts that I got. Throw them down. It's really adding some weight so the underspray doesn't get underneath. Overspray, underspray, whatever you want to call it, really. These are just a bunch of simple little tutorials I'm putting together people to try at home. If you ever do try any of these, let me know if this helped out at all. Now we're going to put down the black. All the weights off and remove the stencil. If you don't have a bunch of these nuts laying around at home, you can always use little rocks from the garden or whatnot. Anything just to weigh it down so the aerosol can doesn't lift your stencil and make it all misty looking underneath. Gives it a more cleaner line when you do it this way. Alright, we'll lift this stencil off and we'll see what it looks like. Oh, I have to use my knife. I can't get my finger underneath the stencil. Alright, so we got a couple little lines to add to connect the roof to the top of the lighthouse. A couple touch-ups in the blades of grass I bumped when I lifted the stencil. Whoopsies. Making it look like there's just little panes of glass that you can see through the lighthouse. Touch up a couple of spots on here. Throw some clear coat on that, seal it up, put a little shine to it. I actually think this might have looked better with like a red sky, but I've been doing a lot of those lately, so I changed it up. Maybe I'll do it again someday with a red sky. Draw my initials down in the corner here. Signature. All this is just some kind of pointy device. I don't know what exactly it's for. You could use a nail if you want, it works all the same. I'm going to use this because it gives a little bit thicker of a line. Alright, there we have it. Nice little simple landscape. Lighthouse. Well, I hope you enjoyed that quick and easy little painting. Please feel free to hit the like button, subscribe. And I will see you next week.